Right, I'm going to film here today. It's a bit windy. There's the Voice. Well, the old Voice pub is closed now. And the club there. It's a bit windy it is, so I don't know if the wind will spoil the sound. But it's a nice sunny day. May the 19th today, is it? 2017. This is the old railway line. And a chap on a bike coming along here now. Oh, right then. A bit tired today. Yeah, since I've had this heart trouble, it's a struggle. Can't walk as far as I used to. I do half a mile or something. Considering it is May 19th, it's very cold for May. Yet we had a hot January and March, so we can't complain. I normally sing when I walk, but I don't like to now that I'm going to put this on YouTube. I don't want people to see me singing, although I've got videos of singing on there. But don't feel like singing today, I feel too tired. Well, I've been home for this morning, see, I see the grandson and the daughter, and to me it's a hell of a drive now. Driving to Armaford takes a lot out of me. I always walk a bit better when I got company. Well, I haven't got company now, but to me this is camcorder is my company. So I can walk a bit better, or further then. There's the old canal there, man. You pick it up. Can't see it on can't see it on the camera recorder. Yeah, this is the old canal where they used to transport coal all the way to Kidwelly, from Drevach, Cwmaw, all the way to Kidwelly. And then they built a railway on the side of it. Of course, I can't imagine those days, it must have been hard graft. See, they cleared some of the woods there. I can see the picture here because I'm in the shade. So I can see it. The thing is, they say walking is good for the heart, exercise. But when you've got a weak heart and you can't walk far, it's a bit of a problem. So I try and push myself as much as I can to walk. And if I walk too far then I'm buggered. But then again, it does help me relax, you know, and helps me sleep at night. So I got to walk now, I know how tired I feel. Yeah, I used to walk here when I was 6 years of age. That's 56 years ago. Oh, wait a minute, I'm 67 now. I'm 67 now. When I was 6. Oh, sorry. When I was 6, I was 61 years ago. 61 years ago. I used to walk this way. And I still love it. I'm so attached to Pontiats. Even though I live on the hill now, in Bindavy there, and I can't walk around. I'm trying for a bungalow on a flat, and there's no bungalows and flats around here, so I'm going to try and go to Top Tumble where there's a flat there. And there's surgery right by the bungalows, and well, they've got everything there for me. And easier to travel to Ammanford. I find it so hard now travelling to Ammanford from here. The good thing about filming now is nobody about. You normally see a few walking here in the day, but the afternoon now. Right, there's a path there now, going back to Pontiats. I'm not going to go back that way, but I'll show you the path. For people who want to walk this way, then they can come this way. There's a lot of new people now living in Pontiats, and they're all looking for different walks. I'll put my stick there. See there, stick. Right. Show you this walk there now. You see this this spare now path will take you all the way back to Pontiats. See the surgery there? And it comes out by the bridge by the river. You can go back that way, or you can come that way and walk this way. Right. Go back this way now. Bit of a job holding this camcorder and walking stick. Come back this way. But Brother Kevin said, don't go singing now when you're doing this, when you're filming these walks. Because he's seen one of my videos when singing, and he don't like me singing. But he can't sing anyway. And he's jealous he is that I can sing. But I'm too tired to sing today. Right, show you the river up here now. The reason I'm saying all this is because there'll be people moving in. There's a lot of people buying houses in Pontiats. And I've spoken to one or two of them, going for walks here, and they're asking me where the paths go, you see, so I can show them on YouTube now. Of course, when you walk in, the video will be a bit jumpy, like it'll be moving like anything, but YouTube can correct that, see? They've got settings to correct that. Show the river Gwyndraeth. Sorry, the Brickyard. Brickyard goes into the Gwyndraeth. The river Brickyard, yeah. I like to wait here and look down the river. I used to come down here and catch a fish when I was young. No fish in the river now, but when I was young there was loads of trout here. I often like to rest here and have a look at the river, but not today. I'm going to film here. Well, I probably will come back now and do that. And the river goes down over there. And then this then, the path goes this way then, all the way up to Penendry. Comes out by the inclined pub in Penendry. Right, back this way now. Really getting tired now. I got water with me, I got to drink water all the time, see. What I'll do, I'll go back to the bridge now and have a rest there and drink water. Show you these paths first. Let's go this way. Whoop. Right, this path now goes all the way out to the main road. And it's a nice walk because you're walking then on the side of the river. And it's a lovely walk because you've got the river, you've got the sun, and you've got a nice view on this path over the fields. And this will come out on the main road by the farm over there. Well, I say farm, they've sold the farm now, they've done the barns out and it comes out by the bridge. And this then also comes out to the main road, this path here, and this is probably the one I'll be taking now once I have my rest and drink water now. This then goes out to the main road again, and it'll be near then the junction, see? So it's a bit of a hill there, but it's not much. And as you can see, they've been out cutting the grass. Well, I've got to say the council maintain the paths pretty good. If there's any trees or branches down, they come and cut them all down. Right, I'll stop filming now. I'm going to have my drink of water. Put the walking stick there. Have my drink of water now and stop filming now.